Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the display resolutions on your Windows 11 computer. So what you need to do is open the Windows button in here and go to the settings on your computer. Then find the system settings on the left panel, tap on display, and in here under the scale and layout you'll find display resolution. So here this is the recommended one, and if you want to change it, just click on this drop down and then find the resolutions that you want. You can see it will change accordingly the size. You can just choose the size that you want in here, and after that your screen will follow with the changes. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.